Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to right click on the Windows icon and select run. Then type here %local app data %. Then click on OK. Now on this window we have to just click on this icon view, then go to show option and click on hidden items, and here you will get this hidden file icon cache. So right click on it, select delete, and then close this window. After that, just we need to go to search bar and type your task manager, and then find out Windows Explorer. So here it is. Then right click on it, select restart. Now we need to wait for some time, around 4 to 5 seconds. Once done, close this window, and that's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.